You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. We're going to look at how to say this word here. If you want to learn how to pronounce vocabulary as this type of language, stay tuned. I've got tons of videos that you're going to love learning from, tons of slang terms coming up for you. This one is pronounced slang. American English is usually pronounced more as slang. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.